just a little bit about what I like to do is well, I'm a shoe fanatic, first of all. I love shoes. I have a lot of them. And just something that I like to do with shoes or clothes that I'm not wearing, I like to sell them on Poshmark. Sometimes I'll even go out to like Plato's Closet or the thrift store or the Goodwill, and I'll try and find, like new or great condition sneakers that are, in the market. Preferably Jordans, Nikes, Adidas, the things that are in right now. And I'll clean the shoes up and I resell them for either the same price or a little bit more, trying to make a profit. So I guess I'll start with my Poshmark. For those of you who don't know, Poshmark is a way for you to make money back. It's a website that allows you to sell old clothing, shoes, jewelry, different things that you own and make a profit. So I already created an account, and for any of you interested, my username is Britner90 on Poshmark. So if you check it out and like anything that you see, go ahead and purchase something. But as you can see, I have quite a few items listed, mostly shoes, but I have some clothes up here as well. And what I like to do is I just like to take stuff that I'm no longer wearing and put it up here for sale. A great example of that would be these Nike Prestos that I put up here 2 weeks ago. I actually bought these shoes brand new for $59, and I was able to sell them on Poshmark. I wore them once, and I was able to sell them on Poshmark for 80 bucks. So yeah, as you can see, I have quite a few listings up here, some sold, some not sold. And sometimes I'll go out on a nice Saturday, go to Plato's Closet, see if they have anything there for me to resell. And like I said, the Goodwill and thrift stores are good as well. But I believe Poshmark is a great platform for you to resell new or used clothing items or shoes that you no longer wear. So yeah, that's a little bit about my Poshmark account, Britner90. Check me out. Hi guys, happy Friday. Brit Tech here. And okay, so today is the day that I like to call my Poshmark buying day. And what that entails is it's pretty much the day that I decide to go out in the week to purchase things that I want to display on Poshmark and I want to sell on Poshmark. So my process usually is I just go to a store. Most of the times it's Plato's Closet, and I see if I can sell some of the items that I have on Poshmark that have been on there for like 100 or more days that aren't really selling. And then I try and buy some of their things that I think would be a great sale and a great, profit on Poshmark. So I go to Plato's Closet and I see if they have anything that I could possibly clean up a little bit and resell for more money. So I'm gonna take you guys along on this journey, and please forgive me, I'm a little under the weather, so my voice is like not the best right now. I'm a little stuffy, but I'm gonna walk you guys through my process, and I hope this helps some of you guys to start your own Poshmark website. But okay guys, so yeah, stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're here at Plato's Closet, and in my bag here, these are some of the things that I'm gonna be getting rid of, seeing if I can sell them. Some brand new jeans. Some of this stuff still has the tags on it. So, brand new shoes. Some stuff is used, but in very good condition. So we're gonna take this into Plato's Closet and see if we can get some money for this stuff. And we're gonna shop around and see if we find anything that's worth selling on Poshmark. All right, so let's go. Katie's, 40 bucks. Also, I was going to turn my stuff in to sell it, but it's actually close to closing time, so they stopped receiving bags. So I'll probably come back another day and try to sell that stuff, but right now we're just gonna focus on buying. So let's see what we can get. These are Kevin Durant. Ooh, uh-oh, it doesn't. These, what are these? I think they're called Fruity Pebbles. Not sure.
Yeah,
Probably worth a lot though. 50 bucks.
Yeah.
So what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to see what I can turn around, like I can flip. I need something that they're selling for cheap and then I can turn around and make a profit off of. So I'm looking at the Jordans, the Nikes, stuff that's in right now. I'm just gonna do some shopping around. And then I'll update you guys on what we find, like the final outcome, okay? So yeah, be back. Okay guys, so we just got out of Plato's closet and I want to show you guys what I got. So come on over. Got these brand new rose gold Vans for about 30 bucks. I plan to, well, they're brand new so I don't have to clean them up or anything, but I plan to resell them on Poshmark for, I'll probably start off at like 55, see where that gets me. And then got another pair of Adidas, and these are a little dirty. You can see they're worn, so I'm gonna clean these up. Got them for 25 bucks and I'm gonna try and sell them for 60. So I guess the next step is post them on the Poshmark website. So I'm about to take the pictures of these shoes, the brand new ones that I got earlier, and I'm gonna post them on Poshmark. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean these ones right here that shows you were dirty. I got a bucket of warm water, some soap suds, and a towel to dry, and some scrub brushes. I'm gonna clean these ones, and then I'm gonna take pictures of these ones as well, and then post it to Poshmark, and I'll show you guys how I do that. So I just finished washing these, and as you can see, they look amazing, brand new. And I'm gonna go ahead and take pictures, and then I'll post it on the website. All right. So, let's see. I actually gotta send them to my email. And once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and upload them to the site, and I'll show you guys what I have. All right, so finally got them uploaded, and they're right here. Rose gold Vans, black Adidas, and let's see. Rose gold women Vans, size 8.5. I listed them for $55. And I got multiple pictures. Let's see. And the good thing I like about Poshmark is they include the shipping for you, so you don't have to calculate all that stuff like on eBay. It automatically does it. Once the shoes sell, it sends you a shipping label. You download it, add it to your box, and you just walk it into the post office, and it's easy peasy. So you guys can see that these ones listed for $55. My account is Britner90. You want to go check it out on Poshmark.com. And here is the Adidas listing. As you can see, you got the pictures. And I listed these ones for $65. I didn't realize they were going to look so good when I finished cleaning them. So I actually raised the price. I think I said I was going to do $50 and I put $65. So, but on Poshmark, people are able to bargain. So if someone sends me an offer for $50, I'll probably accept it. But these are size 7 men, Adidas Alpha Bounce. So yeah, guys, it's pretty much it. That's pretty much the process of how to sell and buy things on Poshmark, and I really hope you guys got a lot of knowledge from this video. Thank you again, Reyes, and yeah, follow my channel. The link I guess the link will be down below to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to be posting more videos on stuff like this. So yeah, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.